2. And the race on La Furia Roja, Captain Ball Penrith 007. And going along for the first turn, La Furia Roja in between runners. Running on the outside is Penrith, Captain Ball. And Racing Import is the favorite, 007 by about 5 lengths from the leader. As they move towards the 3/4 mile distance, La Furia Roja by a neck being hounded by Penrith from the outside, and racing in third by about 4 lengths is Captain Ball, and 007 is still the tail ender. La Furia Roja, Penrith sizing up, mirroring each other, and racing in third by about 3 lengths Captain Ball. Closing Import now is 007. And rounding the far turn, La Furia Roja, Penrith on the outside, Captain Ball. Closing now is 007. As they race the last 550, Penrith now the leader. La Furia Roja, Captain Ball 007. As they swing for on, Penrith the leader. La Furia Roja 007 on the outside third. Last 250. Penrith still the leader by about 2 lengths now. La Furia Roja 007. Last 100 meters more to run. Penrith the leader. La Furia Roja by the rail. And finally, Penrith number 4. La Furia Roja 007. Captain Ball comes last.